typical design process. When most people imagine interior architecture and design, they often picture the final reveal, the fabrics, the lighting, the finished spaces. But in reality, that moment is the very end of a much longer, far more layered journey. So today, I want to walk you through what a typical design process actually looks like, from the first conversation to the final installation. Stage 1. The first conversation. Every project begins with a discussion, not about colours, not about furniture, but about people, purpose, and place. What is the building for? How should it feel? Who is it for? And how should it function day to day? This stage is about listening more than designing, understanding the rhythm of the space before anything is drawn. Stage 2. Site and spatial understanding. Then comes the site. We walk it, we measure it, we study it. Light, flow, proportion, structure, constraints, all of these begin to shape the possibilities. In many ways, the building starts to speak at this stage. It tells you what it wants to be, and just as importantly, what it doesn't. Stage 3. Concept design. This is where creativity begins to take form. Mood boards, spatial layouts, early sketches, material direction. But it's not decoration, it's storytelling. We define a narrative for the space, whether that's a boutique hotel rooted in heritage or a contemporary spa designed around calm and retreat. Everything starts with an idea, a feeling, a direction. Stage 4. Design development. Once the concept is agreed, we refine it. Rooms are properly planned. Furniture is positioned with purpose. Materials are tested against light and function. This is where design becomes real. Every detail starts to connect. Joinery, lighting, flooring, ceiling heights, all working together as one cohesive experience. Stage 5. Technical design. Now we move into precision. Drawings are produced, specifications are written. Every element is detailed so it can be built exactly as intended. This is the language builders and contractors understand. It is where creativity meets construction. Stage 6. Procurement. Furniture, fixtures, and equipment, what we call F, and E, are selected and sourced. This includes everything from bespoke sofas and lighting to artwork and accessories. At this stage, the personality of the space really starts to emerge. Stage 7. On-site delivery. Design doesn't end on paper. We visit site, coordinate with contractors, answer questions, and ensure the vision is being executed correctly. This is where challenges often arise, but also where the design is protected and refined in real time. Stage 8. Installation and styling. And finally, the transformation. Furniture is installed, lighting is adjusted, accessories are placed with care. This is the moment a space becomes complete, not just finished, but alive. A good design process is never rushed. It is layered, considered, and deeply collaborative. Because great spaces are not just designed, they are built through conversation, detail, and time. And when it all comes together, you don't just see the design, you feel it.